Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Daily Trader with Kevin Hincks. I've got two paper money trades for you today on two high-profile names. We'll look at Tesla, that has moved off its recent lows, and we'll look at Google Alphabet, that's been in the news lately. So first, we'll go to Tesla. This is one way a trader can look at this name. Tesla is currently trading around $281.50. It was a bit higher a short time ago. And what we're looking at here, we're not going to do this week, we're going to do next week. So the May 16th expiration is what we'll look at. We're going to go out to the May 30th and buy the $285 call. And then we're going to sell next week's May 16th 305 call. Look at that right-hand column on the Thinkorswim platform out to May 8th, the move about $23. So that's why we have the short strike up around 305, the long strike being 285. So a $20 wide, 2-week long call diagonal. The debit, it was over 13, it was $13.35. It's closer to just around $12 now as Tesla has moved down in the last half hour. So a call diagonal, the risk on the trade is whatever debit you pay. That is your risk on the trade. The target is that short strike of $305 at the end of next week. So a bullish strategy giving you about 29 long deltas in Tesla. Again, the risk, the debit paid, the target, the short strike, the 305 strike. All right, now let's look at our second trade of the day, and that is Google Alphabet. This is something a trader might consider. Google Alphabet's been in the news yesterday, as you know. It was a big down day yesterday, recovering slightly today, up just about 1.5%. Again, what we'll look at here is the focusing on the 155 strike, buying the 155 call. Again, this is May 30th, buying the May 30th 155 call, looking out to next week at about a $6.75 move on the upside. So we're buying the 155. We're buying the 155 in May 30th, selling the May 16th 162.5 call diagonal. We put that in at 385. It's trading about 375 now, so about a dime lower, but in that range. Again, in a diagonal, a 2-week long diagonal, the risk on the trade is the debit paid. This time we put it in 385. It's trading around 380. So whatever you pay is the risk on this trade, and the target is that short strike of 162.5. This gives you about 34, almost 35 long deltas in Google Alphabet. So two trades today, both focusing on the May 30th, May 16 call diagonals, focusing on the 305 strike in Tesla and the 162.5 strike in Google Alphabet, using that right column on the Thinkorswim platform to help us with our strike selection. That's our show for today, everyone. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow with another edition of The Daily Trader. I'm Kevin Hincks.